Hi everyone, this is Timothy Jansirani pursuing my MBA with marketing specialization at AIMS IBS Bangalore. Here I am going to talk about tuber crops enhancing employees. First of all, what is meant by tuber crops? In the name itself, we have seen tuber, which is a storage organ formed from a stem or a root. Tuber crops are potatoes, sweet potatoes, yams, elephant foot yams, etc. And these are the one of the most important cultivated stable energy food crops in the world. And it is also called as savior crops, owning their ability to provide a good yield even under a harsh climatic conditions and soil conditions. And according to studies, it was found that this crop has acquired a new status of industrial crop with an advent of high products like hydrogels, biopesticides, bioethanol, bioactive pigments, dyed foods. Now comes the tuber crops enhancing employees. So let us take an example of Nicobarans, one of the dominant tribal people in the Andaman Nicobar Island. The primary source of livelihood of Nicobarans, which were the dominant in the Andaman and Nicobar, was cultivation of tuber crops. This cultivation of tuber crops enhances their income and employment generation in the tribal areas of Little Andaman. Here, the cultivation practice were unique and different from the other communities because the people living as in a joint family have adopted a two-hand garden system, means which was in a farming system, which means that joint family farming systems where the land owned by community and resources and the outputs were shared. So these farming system have adopted in that area and started cultivating the tuber crops. And it is found that Central Island Agriculture Institute has taken an initiative and put an effort for imparting the scientific knowledge on a tuber crops based farming systems at tribal villages, and in which each village has 15 tuherens with an average area of 0.44 hectares per tuheren garden. And it also selected 10 farmers to conduct a tuber crops based farming systems demonstration, and also they were sensitized about tuber crops based farming system through training and supplied with planting materials of like element food yarns, etc. And these tuber crops had a harvesting period of 8 months. That means these crops were planted in the month of May and harvested 8 months after their planting, that is December. And moreover, these were grown under a natural farming practice without any adding manual and fertilizers, which also encouraged to taken a which also encouraged the tribal people to adopt this farming system. Now, tuber crops based farming system has increased the gross and net returns and also BC ratios, which is benefit cost ratio, has been preferred by the tribal farmers. Tuber crops, that is elephant food yarns, have created a demand and enthusiasm among them. And moreover, based on the success of intervention, there in the subsequent year, additional 15 farmers have adopted this farming system and has gained profit in it. And according to study, it was found that in the years 2017-18 and 18-19, demonstration of tuber crops based farming systems in 0.2 hectares model has shown a net income of each tuheren was increased from 42,200, having a BC ratio of 1.33 to 1,32,820, having holding a BC ratio of 2.80, which was a drastic change. With the increase in the income was due to the integration of tuber crops. With this success of system, more tribal people have come forward to adopt tuber crops based farming system as a livelihood option, and this system was led to triple the tribal farmers income along with their increasing employment generation over the tune of over 70% in the tribal areas of Little Andaman. So, the potential of the system is providing the additional income and enhancement of food availability in the island ecosystem. And moreover, this tuber crops based farming system has encouraged and given an enhanced employees in the tribal areas of Andaman and Nicobar. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our videos, you can follow us on the following link and do rate, review, recommend and share.